By Mr. Kabango from the Congo. So what are we doing today? So today you will be able to discover. If I give you two triangles, right? I'm gonna call this triangle 1 and I'm gonna call this triangle 2. So we're working on just the first one right here. I'm trying to determine, are those two triangles, or those given triangles, are they similar or are they not similar? Similar or not? So what does it even mean by similar? Well, similar means that they have to have proportional sides. If they have to have proportional side, they also must have equal angles. Okay. Well, let's put that into work. Triangle 1 and triangle 2. I'm just going to compare the sides. Okay. So how you determine? So I'm going to set them up in ratio. So the smaller side for the first triangle is not 15. It's not 20. It's this one. That will have to match with the smallest side from the second triangle, which is not 24, not 18, by 12. And then you move on to the next one. What's the medium one, like in the middle? Well, the 15 will have to match with the 18. And then you have the last one. I'm going to use a yellow one. The longest will have to be the 20 here, and the longest will have to be the 24. All right, we're going to set them up in proportion, meaning this. I'm going to go with green first. I said the smaller was 10 over, from the other triangle, is 12. All right, I'm going to see what does that equal to. Because that has to equal to, when you divide that, that also has to equal to, what was the medium one? The 15 divided by the 18. That also must equal to the bigger one, which is the 20 divided by, what's the biggest one over the 24? Notice I'm doing triangle 1 to triangle 2, triangle 1 to triangle 2, triangle 1 to triangle 2. You get the point? You get it. All right, now let's divide it. I'm putting out my calculator on my phone right now. And I'm gonna do 10 divided by 12. That gives me point. This one gives me 0.83. I want to see what is that equal to. That better equal to, so 15 divided by 18 also must be 0.083. Let me use my color so that I can keep it all coordinated, because I'm just like that. Who knows? 0.83. All right, so now I'm going to do the yellow. The yellow, 20 divided by 24, because you have to check everything, right? You got to check all three sides, and they all match. Therefore, you will say that these triangles are similar, right? You would say that they're similar because the sides are proportional. Therefore, the angles also has to be congruent. So if I'm writing the definition at the top here, first let's say they are similar. So you can even go further and say triangle. I'm gonna start with the smaller side. I'm gonna do like the green one, the KML is similar to triangle. All right, so how would I start? Remember, I started with the KM. I started with the smallest one, right? I want small, medium, long. Therefore, small, P to R, medium, R to Q. That's it. P, R, Q. Perfect. All right, so we said that the three sides has to be similar. No, not similar, proportional. Sorry about that. The three side must be proportional. And to the corresponding side of the other triangle, and then the angles are similar. Right, that's it. We just focus on the side. Let me do the second one just to make sure we're on the same page. All right, so first let me identify, this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2. You agree with me? All right, cool. Let's set them up. So I started with the green for smaller side. So on triangle 1, what's the smallest side? Is this one right here. Then I'm going to do 9 right here over the smallest side, 6 equals. All right, step up a little bit, Mr. Cabango. Let's step it up. Boom. Medium side, 12. Boom. Medium, 8. So 12 over 8 equals. All right, yellow. long 13.5, long 9, 13.5, 9. All right, let's divide them and see what do they equal to. Okay, so I'm using my calculator real fast. Come on, calculator, get it going. So we're doing 9 divided by 6. 9 divided by 6, that gives me 1.5. I better equal to, let's see, 12 divided by 8, that gives me 1.5. Let's see what yellow will be. 13.5 divided by 9, we get 1.5. Therefore, we said they are similar. I don't have this triangle is not labeled, so no need to tell me all the letters. So triangle 1, triangle 2. All right, let's do this real fast. Green, small, small, small. Dos, boom. Dos goes to tres, boom. So 2 over 3 equals. All right, let's move to all right, this color, medium side, 3, medium side, boom. So 3 over 4.5. All right, last one was yellow. Long side, 3.2 over 4.5. 3.2 over 4.8. That's what I meant to say. All right, let's start getting it. So 2 divided by 3, boom, 0.6. 3 divided by 3 divided by 4.5, boom, 0.6. Dum 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 dum. All right, next one. All right, 3.2 divided by 4.8. That gives me the same thing. So they're similar. So this one, it has letters, so I can definitely label them. You ready? Set, go. Let me use black one. All right. So remember how I started with the small? So let's go with small. The B R to Q. BRQ. All right. Therefore, I started with the small one, so you can do so BRQ. Then I'm thinking we can do I think this is going to be right. UST. All right, something like that. UST, PRT. Yeah. All right, moving on to the last one. Triangle 1, triangle 2. Ready, set, and go. Boom, 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 boom. Yellow. All right. Smallest here, 12. Smallest over there, 8. All right, so let's do this thing. Let's write it real fast. That will be 8 over 12 equals green. Oh, sorry. I'm OCD. I have to use the right color because I'm just that picky. So we started with green. So we say 8 over 12. 8 over 12. And then my next color was this one. For the medium side is 12 over 18. And then my yellow will be the longest, 20 over 30. All right, I hope this one doesn't work so we can at least see that one of them don't work. All right, let's see. 8 divided by 12, 0.6 something, right? All right, 12 divided by 8. This one also, I think it might work. I'm getting the same answer here. I was hoping you get something that does not work so you can see, you can just write not similar, right? 20 divided by 30. Oh, yeah, this one definitely works again. I mean, there's nothing wrong. I just wanted to look for an example that didn't work. But it is what it is. So this is similar. All right, so let's write this. How would I write it? All right, triangle. I started with a small one. Let me do KL. Should equal to KLM. All right, that's similar to what about ON? What letter is this? I can't tell. Possibly P. Who knows? All right, that's it. This is how you